Massachusetts, weighing in at 253 pounds, Ace.
Well, this superstar has all the tools needed to win this one. Now let's see if he can put them together.
There's something about when the title is hanging high above the ring that brings out the absolute best in these competitors.
From Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 189 pounds, the Godfather, Rob.
This guy will settle for nothing short of a victory here tonight.
The first one to grab the title currently hanging from the ceiling will be the champion. It's that simple.
From the west side, weighing in at 235 pounds, and numero uno, LJ.
Well, ladder matches are so high risk. These competitors are literally putting their livelihoods on the line by competing here tonight. I guarantee you these competitors will do everything in their power to be the one standing atop the ladder with the gold when this one's over.
From parts unknown, weighing in at 225 pounds, the hardcore icon, Jeff Wade.
That ladder is not just there to be climbed. It's also a weapon, a steel weapon. And that's what makes ladder matches so dangerous.
This is the one the crowd has been waiting for, a ladder match with the title hanging high above the ring.
The 4 men in the ring are set. One of the most chaotic contests a superstar can compete in is a fatal 4-way. Anything can happen, and the match can be over in an instant.
Yeah, these fatal 4-ways are crowd favorites for a reason.
Only in the WWE does a common piece of construction equipment become a path to glory. Bring on the ladder match.
And you know, it's just amazing to me that this is just another night in the WWE. Always memorable.
Displaying a wide range of offense here.
Oh man, I would not want to be on the receiving end of one of those kicks.
The ring may not be big enough for what's about to unfold here.
Are you kidding me? This entire arena may not be big enough.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Come on! Now he just wants that insult to injury.
Yeah, this guy's a mean streak.
Oh, good Lord, what a sick thud.
He's certainly showing us something new from his repertoire.
That's cool. I like new stuff.
Huh?
Oh, this is scary. I can tell you from experience, it feels like you're 10 miles in the air now.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him.
He's on the defensive here. In 4-way matches such as this, things could get very ugly for him very quickly.
And it looks to me like neither of these guys are showing signs of pulling away here.
Well, it's hard to argue that, but I'd say this one could go either way. Making it to the top of the ladder may be the easy part. Once you start working on bringing that thing down, you are completely vulnerable. Getting back into the ring now.
He's starting to feel it here. He needs to make sure he doesn't get double or even triple teamed here.
And at this point, it looks to me like this match is as even as it could get.
I couldn't have said it better myself, which is a little scary considering it came from your mouth, JBL.
Oh, man, and I can guarantee he'll think twice about doing that again. Just brings him down to the mat with authority there.
Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he going to do here? What a reversal. The top of that ladder looks awfully far away. He anticipated that move perfectly.
Here we go. And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him.
Looks like he's starting to sweat now. Making matters worse, she's got not one, but 3. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe. Every time he has to get up, it takes more and more effort. Oh, man, from the high rent district.
I wouldn't know what that's like.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet. Oh! I don't like how slow he is to react right now. He sees it.
Look at this. He's going back to an old friend with that one.
You're right about that. You got to remember what works.
What a shot! What a shot from the ladder!
He's starting to feel it here. He came into this match expecting a fight, and that's exactly what he's getting.
This guy's fine. Don't worry about him.
Yeah, I just have a feeling that we have yet to see the best of this guy here tonight. He's pulling out all the stops tonight. This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
He gets out of trouble there.
That guy's had it.
Did you see that? Almost don't want to see what's next. What a move.
That was a thing of beauty. Just amazing. Higher and higher.
Back in the ring again. Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it. Oh, his body has to be broken right now. This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But, man, this has been physical. You don't want to get caught outside the ring for too long.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
No kidding. Oh, no! Talk about getting...
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
And again, the mind games are played.
Up, and away. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
Man, I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
You can practically feel the wear and tear that's been done throughout this match.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Thrown out with authority.
Man, he hit hard. And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him.
These superstars will do whatever it takes to win here tonight.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
I don't like his entire face. Oh!
What makes a man even want to take
450! He does this all the time. Man, this is brutal. He needs to reorganize his thoughts after that one. Heading up.
These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got.
They're not holding anything back, and I love it. Boy, he just got laid out.
We've got a climber. If he can just pull the championship down, this one will be over.
Come on, pull hard.
He saw that one coming.
Oh, he's in trouble now. Uh-oh. Here we go. Super kick. Good night.
This is insane. Does this building have a curfew? I feel like we might be here all night. What a beating.
And you can say his opponent's in real bad shape. Higher and higher.
This match is his if he can just pull it down.
We're one good pull away from this thing being over.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him.
After a move like that, he's going to need a chiropractor in his near future.
Oh, my. Get the medics down here.
Oh, man, he is a mess. He's an absolute mess.
What an attack. And I don't have one problem with it. In the WWE, you do what you have to do to get ahead. Like in any business, only the strong survive. This just gets worse. We talk about separation between you and your opponent as a key to victory. I don't know how you can be expected to do that when you're getting beaten all to hell.
Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
And again, he gets struck with that object.
I'm not sure if he knows where he is right now.
Here we go. Back inside the ring.
And the knuckles connect.
Toss to the outside.
Like yesterday's garbage.
Back now inside the ring.
Good God. Is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks won't give you a good feeling. I can promise you that.
Expanding the repertoire with that move. There he goes. Crashing to the floor.
Oh, man, crashing and burning.
Now back to the ring. He's simply reminding him that there it is, the discus clothesline.
Oh, man, your head winds up flying off like a discus. Yeah, and his opponent's really hurting now. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
just making his presence felt there.
King incoming! Onto the floor! He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. The top of that ladder looks awfully far away.
He's clawing his way back into this match.
He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here.
Oh, look at the emotion.
And the ladder again, causing tremendous damage.
Wow, look at this. We're seeing one person do their best to make sure another person can no longer compete in the WWE. This is going to be a night we will never forget.
Higher and higher.
This match and the championship is his if he can just pull it down here.
Oh, this is scary. I can tell you from experience, it feels like you're...
He got the job done. This one's over.
Here are your winners and numero uno, LJ.
How much pain and suffering did he...